Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
In chapter 4, Bhagavad Gita, as it is, it said that Arjuna was present at the speaking of the Bhagavad Gita to the sun god so many years ago. What position did he have there?
He was also present, but he has forgotten.
What position did he have if it wasn't spoken at the battle of Kurukshetra? Which position?
Arjuna was put into that position by the supreme will of the Lord. Unless, just like in the theatrical stage, both the father and the son, they are playing some part. The father is playing of a king and the son is playing of another king, both are inimical. But actually they are playing as such. Similarly, Arjuna is eternal friend of Krishna. He cannot be in delusion. How he can be in delusion? If Krishna is his constant friend. But he was supposed to be in delusion so that he played the part of a conditioned soul, and Krishna explained the whole thing. He played that ordinary person. Therefore, all his questions were just like ordinary man. Unless, because the teachings of Gita was lost, that is explained. So Krishna wanted to deliver again the yoga system of Gita, so somebody must ask. Just like you are asking, I am answering. Similarly, Arjuna, although he was not to be supposed in illusion, he placed himself as representative of this conditioned soul, and he inquired so many things, the answers were given by Lord.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna.